If your heart feels shattered, if you are questioning your worth or wondering, was it me? Take a deep breath. You are not alone and you are not broken. And today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful steps to start rebuilding your confidence, your light, and your unshakable self worth, brick by brick. Hi, beautiful souls. I am Priyanka Banerjee, the love healer. And in this space, we breathe, we heal, and we reconnect with the divine within. Today, we are diving deep into something that touches so many hearts: how to rebuild your self worth after a heartbreak. Because when love ends, especially when it ends painfully, it doesn't just hurt your heart, it shakes your identity. It can leave you doubting your value, questioning your beauty, your choices, and your enoughness. But I want you to know your worth was never tied to how someone else loved you. So let's begin. Step number 1: anchor yourself in truth, not rejection. When someone walks away, it's easy to believe the story that I wasn't good enough, or I was too much, or I was not lovable. But let's interrupt that story, because rejection is redirection, and your worth does not decrease based on someone else's inability to see your light. Take a moment right now, hand over your heart, and repeat: I am not what they couldn't love. I am who I choose to become now. Use this as your grounding truth. Write it down. Let it be your anchor when self doubt comes knocking. Step number 2: rewire the subconscious narratives. Most of the damage after heartbreak doesn't come from the breakup, it comes from the mean inner voice that shows up afterward. You know, the voice that says, you are not lovable, you will always end up alone, or you weren't enough for them. So why would you be for anyone else? But those thoughts are not facts. They are programs, stories, and good news, they can be rewritten anytime. It's the choice that you have to make. In my one-on-one work, I guide clients through subconscious reprogramming and energy healing. But you can start right now by catching that inner voice and gently saying, thank you, but that's not my truth anymore. Then replace it with a new affirmation like, I am inherently worthy of love, joy, and devotion. Repeat this daily. You are rewiring your brain. This is neuroplasticity in action. And while you are saying these affirmations, if you notice any negative thoughts, or again your inner voice trying to stop you or judge you, just stop for a while and reflect back from where is this coming. Try to get to the root of that story and then release that, because that's just a story which would have happened many years back in your life, and you are just working in an autopilot mode based on that story. So it's time to release that story, right? So do that every time whenever you feel that there is some resistance around the affirmation that you are saying out loud or in your mind. Step number 3, reclaim the parts of you that you deemed. Sometimes in love, we abandon parts of ourselves just to keep the connection. Maybe you stopped dancing, or you silenced your truth, or you said yes when your soul was screaming no. Now is the time to call all those pieces back. Take a pause and ask yourself, what parts of me did I suppress in that relationship? What did I love doing that I stopped? What did I believe in before I started shrinking for love? Make a list, then start doing one thing a week that helps you reclaim your fullness, whether it's painting again, or wearing that red lipstick, or setting boundaries without guilt. You are allowed to take up space. In fact, you were born to shine. Step number 4, heal energetically, not just emotionally. You are not just a body, you are energy. And heartbreak leaves energetic imprints, cords, blocks, and leaks in your auric field. That's why affirmations alone are not enough. We must go deeper. Here are 2 practices I love to recommend. The heart chakra healing. You can place your hand on your heart and you can close your eyes and visualize a soft green or pink light radiating from your chest. Breathe into that space. Let it expand and let it soothe you. And be in that feeling for as long as it feels good for you. Number 2 is the cord cutting ritual. So, in meditation, you can visualize the person with whom you were connected to and imagine a cord connecting your heart to theirs. Then gently cut the cord with light and say, I lovingly release you and I take my power back. These rituals are not woo woo, they are potent. You are reclaiming your energy and your wholeness. Step number 5, rebuild with sacred devotion to self. Now that you are clearing the pain, it's time to build a new foundation of self worth based not on how others see you, but on how deeply you choose to love yourself. Make yourself your own soulmate. Wake up and speak lovingly to your reflection. Celebrate your small wins and stop waiting for external validation, and stop judging yourself for not being able to forget your ex completely yet. It's normal. And say this to yourself each morning. Today, I choose to love myself like I have always deserved. Because true confidence doesn't scream, it radiates. And the more you love yourself fiercely, spiritually, the more magnetic you become to love that is true, sacred, and lasting. Always remember you are not broken, you are becoming. And this heartbreak, it's not your ending, it's your rebirth. And if this video touched your heart, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and share it with a soul who might need this too. Let's create a world where love begins within and ripples outward. Until next time, keep honoring your heart. You are worthy. You are enough. You are divine. I am Priyanka, the love healer, and I will see you in the next video.